Hello and welcome back to our object-oriented JavaScript tutorial. In previous tutorial, we saw how to create a object literal and how to call it basically and how to use it. Okay, and as you know, uh, uh, in literal based object oriented object, you don't need to create a object because you have already created object itself, as you can see by person. And then in JavaScript, if you say something like this, bar, let's say a, and equal to this, basically what that means is object a is object, so you have already created the object, so you don't need to create using a constructor. Whereas in constructor based object, you need to create using a new keyword, and that is the major difference between literal based and function based or constructor based object. Okay guys, and as you can see, there's some syntax different as well, how you assign the properties. For example, whereas in function based you use equal to and then this kind of thing, whereas in literal based you use semicolon and separated by comma. Okay guys, and you can add as many properties and function as you like. There is no limit. Okay, uh, this is the basic difference between those things, and I hope you have some code is still there are some doubts. If you so, just comment below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Okay, so now next chapter, what I want to talk about is object oriented prototyping. Okay, what is the prototyping in JavaScript? That's one of the most commonly used and commonly used function in object-oriented JavaScript, prototyping. Okay, I will show you what that means right now. As you can see, we have created the function called function, and it has a limited properties. And let's say you want to add a new property to the functions, you don't need to go there and add it. You can do it outside the function itself, something like this way. So you don't need to go inside and write anything. Basically, you can create a function and leave it empty and add the prototype later. That's the beauty of prototyping. Okay, for example, if you want to add new properties to the functions, now what I can do is person, okay, dot, don't forget person dot prototype. You see, prototype. Okay, prototype dot, now name of the properties. Let's say I want to add his uh, uh, the person age. Okay guys, age. Okay, now I say person the prototype the age equal something 18 or something like that. Okay, alright, our list is 25. Okay, I have added age from there. Now I go there, and what I do is document the right print message. Okay, and plus p a person. Let me like this differently. Person one, and dot p person one. Okay, person one dot age. Okay, now what this should do is it should add the age there. Let's see if dots, and I say something like age. Okay, alright, is it clear? So what I have done here, I have added the new properties. Okay, new attribute, whatever you want to call it, or new value within this constructor function, and call it here person.age, and this is fixed. Can you see it is 25? It says 25. Okay, so this is 25 for now. It should print 25 there. Let's see what it does. Okay, there's some error. Let me check what happened here. Alright, it says person is not a constructor. Okay. we have a conflict here because I have person objects and person function as well. Okay, and that is giving some error message. So I would to make it clear, I would call it person con. Okay, that means constructor and person object itself. So now I can do like that, con. Okay, and prototype person con. Okay, job done. Now it should be working. Let's see. There you go, guys. This is how it works. Okay, uh, as you can see, hello Santos, job title web developer age 25. Okay, and this is wrong, guys. This will be job title. Alright, this is undefined. However, I'm going to, so it doesn't print this literal based output in the browser. Okay, now let's see it. Go back. Hello, name Santos, web developer, and then age 25 is added from prototype. Okay, and let's say we want to change this 25 to something else because we don't know, we cannot put constant value, right? So in that case, what you can do is something like this, guys. This is super cool, right? Let's say I want to change that to age, so I can do here like this. Look, var or it can be, yeah, let's say var version 1 person 2, let's say person 2 dot age. Okay, age equal to, you can assign anything. Let's say John is 29. Okay, this is for John. Okay, guys, while person 2 dot age equal to 29, but I'm not sure why it's giving me the error. Makes sense because person 2 is already, so it doesn't make sense to redefine again. Person 2 the age equal 29. Now let's print person 2 in the browser. So I go there, I'm going to comment person 1. Let's print person 2. Okay, guys, person 2. Alright, there you go. Now let's print person 1 as well. We want to see both ages, alright? There you go. Alright, now you're gonna see what the power of object-oriented JavaScript here. What we have done here is we have given 25 to age is a default age if there is no age, and we can set any age we want later as well, which is, so we have set the different age for person 2, who is John, which is 29, and we have given default age to Santos, which is 25. Okay, so it should print 25 and 29. Okay, so let's see. Alright, guys, as you can see, actually the second thing didn't work. I think there's some error. Maybe I did person 1. Alright, there you go, person 2, that was it. Sorry. Alright, now let's reload it. Can you see this? Age is 25, age is 29. This is how object-oriented JavaScript works. Basically, you can change the properties later as well. And this kind of thing is kind of hard when you do with the procedure way. And this is the advantage of using object-oriented based JavaScript, guys. I hope this makes more sense to you, and you guys have a very basic idea about how to use a prototype, and what is a constructor based object, and what is literal based object in JavaScript, and how to use it. And this is the main purpose of this tutorial, and we can add prototype based object. I mean prototype for the function as well. Okay, most of the time we write function rather than assigning a new attribute. Let's say we wanna make new functions in person class, then we can do like this, the new functions, which is basically what it does is it just return the age, get age. Okay, get age,